In this video, I'm going to briefly introduce a reading from Nick Bostrom's book, Superintelligence, which is about AI alignment. It's something we've talked about a few times in class. And admittedly, it's a very it's a book that has an idea that feels like it's kind of out there. Definitely, maybe one of the most unusual ideas we've talked about in class, but it's the idea that once you program a computer to do something, it's hard to write that objective in such a way that the computer will actually do what you want, or the robot will actually do what you want. At the moment, it doesn't really matter. We can just unplug our computers or turn off our robots, or shut down the system that's misperforming. But as AI gets more and more capable, then eventually it might be more capable than we are, and then there's this serious problem that happens if you given the AI an objective that wasn't ex post turned out to be not exactly what you wanted. So it's actually a big problem trying to think of the right way to give objectives to some potential AI. So that's what the reading's about. I won't say too much more about it. I guess looking through it, the kind of interesting things are first, of course, I'm not having you read this whole book, so very briefly, he talks about 3 reasons why you might think that that having a very intelligent AI would be dangerous. And then he kind of goes into, so that's like the first couple pages, and then he goes into this more deeper discussion of why it's hard to give AI goals that actually align with what we actually want the AI to do, and the different ways that can go wrong. He's got some very kind of provocative examples. So that's about it for the introduction. Look forward to talking with you more about it in class.